Hi, my name is Blair Quarry from EAG. I wanted to share some IT challenges many leaders like yourself face and the impact it has on you and your workforce. I know because EAG has 20 plus years of experience working with organizations like yours to eliminate hidden IT costs that quietly erode your budget and hurt overall productivity and in turn, performance. As an example, let's talk about downtime. As a leader of your organization, there is nothing more frustrating than unexpected IT downtime that hinders your team from accomplishing their daily goals. IT maintenance and troubleshooting drain valuable time and resources, which add up and translate into missed deadlines and unnecessary cost. The good news is, unexpected downtime can be prevented with IT outsourcing. Our team of IT experts have a proactive approach to IT that ensures minimum disruption, keeping your operations running smoothly and your team focused on what they do best. Contact us to learn more about how EAG can help you navigate your IT challenges.